This video is for educational and recovery purposes only. Never use these techniques on files you do not own or do not have explicit permission to access. Doing so is illegal in most countries. This is only for recovering your own forgotten passwords. What's up guys, welcome back to Everything Tech. In this video, I will show you how to crack a password protected zip file using Kali Linux and John the Ripper. Let's log into Kali Linux. If you are new to this channel, then like, subscribe and turn on post notifications to get recommended more videos like this. If you don't have Kali Linux installed, check my previous videos for instructions on installing Kali Linux on both Windows and Mac OS PCs. Now let's continue. First, I am creating a standard zip file and protecting it with a simple 6-digit password. And now let's try to crack the password. So we are using our terminal, and then we cd into our download folder, ls, and here is our secret.zip. First, we generate a hash from the locked file. Then we can try all possible combinations as quickly as possible. You can check the video description for a complete guide to password encryption and decryption along with other relevant informations. Now if you type in ls, you can see the hash for our secret.zip file. We generate a hash from the locked file. Then we can try all possible combinations as quickly as possible using our CPU processing power. So how does brute forcing really work? This is more like trying to break into a system but with a different password every time. For example, I have a save box and the password is 1234, but I don't remember it. So I try every possible option quickly until I get the correct one. If I were to do it manually, it would take me a very long time, but we can use a computer to simulate it and run it in seconds, depending on the password complexity. If you're interested, you can go to notpass.com. Here you can check how long it would take to crack different passwords. Just don't type in your actual password here anyways. There is a list of over 10 billion common passwords people use. Many of them come straight from massive data breach of top platforms you use daily. An attacker could perform a brute force attack using those word lists. That is why you should always use long random passwords with letters, numbers and symbols. Never reuse the same password on multiple platforms. The process completed in about 7 seconds. Now we can use the password to unlock the zip file. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video to someone that might find it useful. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.